Hey, what's going on guys? It's Phonology and today we are comparing the Vivo X50e against the iQOO Z1X. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Availability wise, the Vivo X50e was released on 1st October while the iQOO Z1X was released on 25th July. Both the phones are available to buy right now. The Vivo X50e supports 4 bands which are GSM, HSPA, LTE and 5G, while the iQOO Z1X supports 6 which are GSM, HSPA, video, LTE and 5G. There is almost no difference in the thickness here as the Vivo X50e is 8.9mm thick while the iQOO Z1X is 9.1mm thick. It's the same situation with the weight too as the Vivo X50e weighs 200.4 grams while the iQOO Z1X weighs 199.5 grams. The Vivo X50e has a 6.44-inch AMOLED display, while the iQOO Z1X has a 6.57-inch IPS LCD display. X50e has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, while the Z1X has a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. The X50e has a 60Hz display with 409 pixels per inch, while the Z1X has a 120Hz display with 400 pixels per inch. The Z1X has SDR10 support as well. There is absolutely no difference in the performance as the Vivo X50e and the iQOO Z1X have the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset with Adreno 620 GPU. Even though both the chipsets are exactly the same and will perform similarly, optimization from the manufacturer will matter for sure. For software, the X50e runs FunTouch OS 10.0 while the Z1X runs iQOO UI 1.0. Both of them run their respective software skins on top of Android 10. The Vivo X50e has a single 8GB plus 128GB variant, while the iQOO Z1X has 4 variants with 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB combinations. Both the phones have UFS 2.1 storage speeds. The X50e has a shared microSD expansion slot while the iQOO Z1X has no expandable storage whatsoever. The Vivo X50e has a quad camera setup at the back with a 48MP main camera, a 13MP telephoto, an 8MP ultrawide and a 2MP macro. The iQOO Z1X has a triple camera setup at the back with a 48MP main camera, a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. Both the Vivo X50e and the iQOO Z1X can shoot 4K at 30fps and 1080p at 30fps. The Vivo X50e has a 32MP camera in the front, while the iQOO Z1X has a 16MP camera in the front. Both the phones can shoot 1080p at 30fps. The Vivo X50e has a 4350 mAh battery, while the iQOO Z1X has a 5000 mAh battery. Both the phones can charge quite quickly at 33 watts. The Vivo X50e has additional features like General Display Optical Fingerprint Scanner, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC support, USB 2.2 Type-C port with OTG support, and various sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. The iQOO Z1X too has additional features like the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC support, USB 2.2 Type-C port with OTG support, and various sensors like accelerometer, proximity, and compass. The Vivo X50e has a single variant of 8GB RAM and 128GB storage and it is priced at 34,999 INR. iQOO Z1X on the other hand has 4 variants with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage is priced at 18,999 INR, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced at 20,999 INR, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced at 22,999 INR and the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant is priced at 25,999 INR. The iQOO Z1X edges out slightly against the Vivo X50e. Both are a great buy, but as you might have noticed, the price is significantly lower with the iQOO Z1X. It is the most affordable phone you can buy with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset inside. I personally would go with the iQOO because of the price and the feature it packs. So that's it guys, that was the on-paper specifications comparison for the Vivo X50e and the iQOO Z1X. Let us know in the comments below about what you think about either of the phones, and also like the video if you think it deserves one, and get subscribed so that you don't miss any videos in the future. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.